In this tutorial we're going to try and do a metal frame that you could prop a bicycle oil against for a bicycle store. File, New, leave it on Design, say OK, Maximize, tip it up with the white L. Draw a circle a little ways from the green arrows. If you put it back into 3D, you can see that that circle is just drawn on the ground floor. I really need to use a different work plane to do the path. It's probably going to be this one, frontal. So to find that, I'm going to go frontal, right click, new sketch. We'll call this pipe. Say OK. And when I tip it up with the white L this time, I'm going to be looking at it from the side. You can't hardly see, but that's the ground where that circle is I drew earlier. There it is, you can just see it now. Draw a large frame. Put it into view isometric so you can see it in 3D. And instead of using the first of the red arrows, not the second, not even the third, we're going to use the last one here, sweep profile along a path. Click on that one, and it asks you a question. You've got to check this is right. Sketch to use as profile is the pipe. That's what we know. Actually, we want to use sketch to use is initial. The sketch to use as the path is the pipe. So now it's switched them around for us. We can say OK, and it'll instantly jump and do it for us. That's not ideal because you wouldn't want the frame to go all the way around. So at this point, you could use the scissors to cut the bottom one off, update it with the green traffic light, and you've got a more sensible bicycle support frame that you can lock your bike to. Bit hard on the corners. If we tip it up with the white L, we can soften it by radiusing one of the corners. Remember, when you're trying to radius a corner, hover on the corner so that both of the lines turn turquoise. It's the internal line there that's turning turquoise. Keep your finger down, drag it in, let go. Need to update it. So this will be buried into the concrete floor. You've got yourself a bike rack piece. Don't forget to save it. File, save, put it in a directory with a name that you can recognize.